There are three common reasons why F&O can be slow. So I'll demo exactly where to check inside the system. By the end, you'll know what to look for and some quick fixes. So let's jump straight in. So the first reason F&O can be slow is batch job overload. F&O relies on batch jobs for things like posting journals, running reports, etc. If too many of the heavy jobs are running at once, they consume system resources and slow everything down. So the first thing I normally do in the morning is check the batch jobs. And you go into system administration and you find batch jobs. And then in the status field, you would type executing, and these will show all the batch jobs that are currently executing. So, this is I should mention this is a learn environment, but in real life, you would have tons of batch jobs running. And then you would click on the batch job that is running. So, say in the morning, if you woke up and you started work and there is a batch job from the day before, this will cause the system to lag. So, you would click on it and then you would click change status, and then it'll give you three options, and you press cancel, and that will hopefully improve the system. Now, the second reason is too many online users. If a lot of people are logged in and running heavy processes at the same time, that can also cause slowness, and that is also in system administration as well. So, here are the online users. You would go into login date, you would click select oldest to newest, and then you would clear down the day before. So, and it will give you an option to end. Sorry, there it is. End sessions, and then you click OK. Now, once that's cleared down, if they don't see any improvement, it may be that it is the user side. So it might be the browser and it might be the cache. So what I would say, because this is web based, so the browser you use matters. So it's either Chrome or Edge, and cache data can affect the performance. Old caches or too many browser tabs can make forms and dashboards really slow. So then I would ask the user to go into settings and privacy and search and clear browser data, and I would say all the time, and then clear now. So yeah, if you ask them to do that, that should hopefully fix any slowness issues that they have. If that's not the case, then I would then move on to LCS monitoring. But most of the time, these checks will explain the slowdown and give you ways to fix it immediately. In my next video, I'll cover the other factors like customizations, integrations, and environment sizing, so you can fully optimize your F&O performance. If this was helpful, hit subscribe and drop a comment.